Here's how to convert MKV to WEBM video. I created an app called ConvertSave. It works on desktop for Windows and Mac, and it converts images, video, and audio. Check it out, convertsave.com. We can just click and drag. I got MKV video here. I can drag a bunch of them in if I want to. Select the output, go to WebM, and hit convert. It's going to convert that MKV video to WebM video. I forget if I said I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and he helped me create this alternative to all the different online weird websites that you have to upload your files to, and you hit file size limits, and you can't do so many files. Plus, I hate the process of uploading to convert, to then download, to then move to a different folder. ConvertSave, you just drag and drop, and it converts and saves right next to wherever the files came from. It's so fast. I don't know if I can make it any more simple or quick. It does images, video, and audio, and it works on desktop for Windows and Mac, and it works offline. You can do this without the network if you want to. And so basically that means these files are not uploading anywhere to be converted. They're being converted on your computer. So file size, max number of file limit, all that kind of stuff, that is just depending on your computer, how much power you've got in your computer, what the resources are, how much space you have, all that. So just like working with any files on your computer, there's no real limit here. And also, you can do a lot of different things than just convert. So if you check out this advanced settings tab, there's options for this specific conversion. It shows you the tool that's being used. It shows you the commands that we're trying to use as well. In this case, there's a primary command and a secondary command, especially for video, because the primary command is basically saying, I want an exact copy of the video, but I want it to be this different container or file type. And so it does that without even touching the video. So the video is the perfect exact quality. For certain things though, like WebM in particular, a lot of things are not compatible with WebM that are in other video file types. So we have other commands here to make sure that WebM comes out as compatible as, WebM should be a little bit more compressed. That's what the format is. And so it takes that file size down a little bit, and then it gives you that WebM video out as your output. But as I kind of ramble on, you can also add custom commands here, and that's really what I wanted to talk about, because we have an options builder. You can build your own commands if you don't know exactly what you're doing, and there's things like the quality slider that you can just like bring the quality up and down, and it adds those commands in here. You can save them, it'll apply them for this conversion, and you can save them for any conversion of this type going forward. And so it's really awesome, and there's a lot of different things you can do, like changing the frame rate and resolution. On images, you can add effects, you can crop, you can resize. So there's a lot of stuff here that you can do beyond just trying to do a conversion. And you can do those custom commands on the same file type too, if you wanted to. So if you wanted to convert a JPEG to the same file type, a JPEG, then you could select that, but then add a bunch of effects to it, or just resize a bunch of JPEGs, things like that. The same with video. So this is a video conversion tool, this is a video conversion video, but I wanted to show you what all the tool could do beyond that. Yeah, so it works for Windows and Mac. It works really fast. It works offline. You don't upload or download anywhere. And you can check it out at convertsave.com, or you can just click the link down below in the pinned comment or in the description. I appreciate your guys' support. Let me know if you check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.